Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've got what you need. Signed in, video queued, and your device ready. First, start the YouTube video or playlist you want to sleep to. Once it's playing, switch to your device clock or timer app without pausing the video. This lets you set a stopping point separately. Make sure volume and captions are adjusted now so you don't fumble later. You're beginning the process. Set the time you want audio to end and prepare to return to YouTube. Now configure the actual stop action. On iOS, open clock timer, choose the duration, tap when timer ends and select stop playing, then press start. This tells the system to halt media. On Android, look for stop media in timer or use bedtime/digital wellbeing controls to stop audio. Third-party sleep timer apps offer a similar stop media command. Once set, return to YouTube and let the content finish by confirming the timer is active and YouTube keeps playing in background or locked screen. If playback doesn't stop when time ends, make sure background playback permissions are allowed, no battery optimizers killed the timer, and Bluetooth devices aren't intercepting media controls. If problems persist, try a dedicated sleep timer app that explicitly sends a stop command, or test the built-in option with a short countdown. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both YouTube and your timer app to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.